Okay. Page 76. So you will know a covalent formula because it starts with a, it starts with a nonmetal and it ends with a nonmetal. Okay, so we have dinitrogen pentoxide, carbon tetrachloride, and the numbers simply tell you, dinitrogen tells you that there are literally 2 nitrogen, pentoxide tells you that there are 5 oxides, and we don't write it like that, but what we do write is we write N2O5. Is good? And that's it. The only little hitch is, what if there's nothing in front? How many? 1. So we have 1 carbon, and we have, what's tetra? Tetra is 4. So we have 4 chlorides, so that's going to be 1 carbon with 4 chlorides. Okay, so if you need to practice those, there's a little practice here. We are going to carry on, though, because quiz 8, because this is so trivial, quiz 8 actually has both ionic and covalent. Okay? So how do we know that something is ionic? How can you tell? This is on now page 77. How can you tell something is ionic? Yes.
If there's a metal and a non-metal?
Yeah, it's going to start with a metal. Now, it could have a polyatomic ion after the metal. So for now, I'm just going to leave it. It starts with a metal. Or is there another thing it could start with? Yeah, there would be no prefixes. Yep, that's for sure. Yes?
NH4?
NH4. It could start with ammonium. Okay, so it starts with a metal or it starts with ammonium. And ionic has no prefixes, and we're going to review a little bit how to do those in case you have forgotten. All right. Covalent, how do we know that it's covalent? It's just 2 nonmetals. No more. And the reason I say 2 specifically is because you can have a compound like NH4Cl, which is all nonmetals, but because it's got that ammonium in it, it's actually ionic. So ammonium is kind of a little tricky that way. But does that kind of make sense? So if you have ammonium, it is ionic regardless of the fact that it only contains nonmetals. Okay? So let's try just taking a look at a few of these. Cadmium sulfide. Is that ionic or is it covalent? And if you're like, I don't know, you can go look for cadmium. And one of the ways to do that might be easier is to look under C for cadmium on the back of your periodic table. And you can say, aha, cadmium is element number 48. So I'm going to go look up element 48 on my front of my periodic table. Here is element number 48. All right, it is cadmium. And if you don't remember, what are the charges of zinc and cadmium? Zinc and cadmium are +2. There's 2 of them, right, in this column? So if we go, I've got 2 here. So this is +2, +2, +2. We have only 1 here. So this one is +1. And we have 3. Ooh, what was, no, don't do that. There we go. Okay. We have 3 here. So these guys are +3. So cadmium is +2, so we have Cd2+. Is cadmium a metal or a non-metal? Cadmium is a metal. So are we going to use prefixes or no? Never mind. We're doing the formulas. When we have an ionic compound, what do we have to do with our charges? Good question. Do you have your flow chart that I gave you a while ago? On the back of that flow chart, there was the naming flow chart. And on the front of it, we have the formula flow chart. See if you can find it. I'm going to go see if I have extra copies. I don't know if I do, but we'll see. Thank you. Okay, sorry. Okay, I am not seeing it. So what I'm going to do is but in the meantime, you can look up here. So if it is ionic, it begins with a metal or ammonium, and you have to find the charge of the cation. Yes?
I pointed out that it's on page 6.
Oh, and it's also on page 6 of your workbook, if you want. But you don't have to flip back and forth. You can just look here. Okay? Well, you can find the charge of the anion. And once you have found those, how much charge does a compound have? 0. So you need to then balance the charges to make the compound neutral. There's also a crisscross and simplify method, which if you're interested in learning that later, you can ask me about it, but not right now, okay? Because you can learn that in grade 10, all right? Because otherwise we'll never get out of chemistry and we'll never get to biology, and I really want to get to biology, so let's do this. Okay, so after you've finished writing the formula, you are going to check if I have one polyatomic ion. I need to make sure I use no brackets. If I have more than one of a polyatomic ion, I need to make sure I use brackets. I do not want to ever see a Roman numeral in a formula. No, 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 no. I never, never, never want to see charges in a formula. No, 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 no. I don't want to see the numbers at the top. No, 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 no. All right. And if you feel like you would like to have this sheet with you while you are practicing, that is very good. Okay. If you feel like you would like to use it on the test, you can use it on the test. But if you want to do enriched, you're going to work without this sheet. Yes? Okay. Excellent. Like I said, I will print out extras of these so you don't have to flip. It is on page 6 of your book, but you don't necessarily want to flip back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. That's a little bit much. Okay, so what are we going to do with our ionic compound? We know that this is ionic because this is a metal. So it is ionic, which means we need to balance the charges. You might need extra paper for this because I didn't leave a lot of space here, okay? Cadmium was 2 plus, sulfide was 2 minus. Are the charges balanced? Yes. And so you would just write the formula as CDS. Okay? We're going to skip down to sulfur. Whoopsie. Sulfur trioxide. There we go. Sulfur trioxide. Is that ionic or is it covalent? What does it start with? That is a nonmetal. And if it is nonmetal, what kind of compound do we have? Ionic or covalent? Covalent. So don't worry about the charges, just use the prefixes. So if it's ionic, balance the charges. If it's covalent, we're sticking together neutral atoms, so we just use the prefixes. How many sulfur do we have? It just says sulfur. So we just have 1. So I'm just going to put an S. And then it says trioxide. How many oxygen do I have? 3. So that's going to be O3. Okay. How about lead 4? Is lead 4 a metal or a non-metal? Lead. It is a metal. So what type of compound is it? If it starts with a metal, it is ionic. And if it is ionic, do you use the prefixes or do you balance the charges? Balance the charges. Which means you need to know what the charges are. You can't balance them if you don't know what they are. So lead on our periodic table here's lead down here. It's a metal. What is lead's charge? Can we tell just from looking at the periodic table? No, because it's in the red zone, it's variable. It's got different options. So we have to look at the name. So let's go back here. And it says lead 4. That tells us that it is Pb 4 plus. Oops. That's a different lead 4. This tells us that it is Pb 4 plus. Permanganate. Where would I find something that ends in 8? Where would I look for that? I would look on the green sheet. Okay, so off we go to the green sheet. And I want permanganate, so I'm going to go alphabetical by name. And I'm going to look under P. So that's going to come after M, N, O. And finally I get to, oh, here's permanganate. It is MnO4 negative. So that means it's MnO4. What does negative mean? How many negatives is that? Negative 1. Okay, so when you see just a negative, that's a negative 1. So permanganate is MnO4 negative. How many MnO4s would you need to balance out the Pb4 plus? You would need 4 of them, yes? So you would say, okay, that's going to be Pb, and I need 1 Pb, that has a 4 plus charge. My MnO4 has a negative 1 charge, so I need 4 of them, and I put it in brackets because anytime I have more than one of a polyatomic ion, I put it in brackets. So if you have not done quiz 5 or 6 or 7, you'll want to work on those first. But once you have completed those, you can do some practice on page 77, which is going to prepare you for quiz 8. And if you're like, I'm still working on quiz 7, you could try pages 73, 74, because those will help you out for quiz 7. Like I said, if you've done 7 and 8, you can either be working on the overall review, which is section 4.3, or you can be working on the enriched stuff, which is on the back table. Okie dokie. Good stuff.
Nothing but just while you were talking.
Very nice. Good use of time, I think. Good, good. No, 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 no. Okay. You need to balance your charges,
Maybe should have that.
which means you need to write out the charges. Feel free to either write it on here or have a scrap piece of paper.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. Yes. I need to find those.
What is OH?
Yes.
Give me 1 minute. No, what is your I can't find it over here. Yeah. What did I just hear?
Six. Okay, and that's really language. Okay, got this.
Okay, so basically you're gonna it's like what you're doing, but now you're gonna name the acids. Okay, and you might want to put them in but basically you have 9 and I, that's how there's ice and I. I even I. When you make these interesting with acid, you say if hydro and
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Oh, we're supposed to write a note. They asked us to do that, so let me do that for you.
You're gonna have just a at the end. Okay? And then we have one and ice. You're just gonna have okay? And for sulfur and phosphorus, instead of saying sulfur, you have to say sulfuric. Instead of saying phosphate, it's phosphoric. And the rest is usually you add the yeah, okay, one more. Any of these were end.
Today is the December 4th
Yeah, that's for
at
not for naming, that's
20.
for the.
There
Sorry,
you go.
that's for the phone. Okay. For one that ends with O, you have to add H. But you still write. The H basically means.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Am I doing this correctly? I have no idea what this one is though.
Okay, so for this one, what you would do is you would say lithium, you would look up its charges +1, and you have oxygen, which is -2. So you would need to have 2 lithiums to get a 2+ charge to balance the 2- of the oxygen.
Oh.
So that formula then would become Li2O.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no place coming.
Yeah, I would love to.
Oh my gosh. My. Listen. How many? It's so nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ryan. Okay. Which one do you not have enough charge? Do you have not enough positive or not enough negative?
Not enough name.
Not enough negative. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another.
I was thinking about that. I'm like, oh, this is
So whichever one we don't have enough of the charge, we add more. And then we check again and say, is it balanced now?
added that.
Ah, well, what's this doing here?
That's that.
Ah, no, that tells you, that would mean that you have 4 leads.
That's what I wrote.
That would mean that you have 4 leads, which would give you 16 positives. Is that, how many leads did you have? How many? Just 1. Okay. So that one, we need to get rid of that because there's just one of them. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. So I think
I'll take that.
That was good. Okay, so that is 7. Thank you very much.
I'll
Ryan.
take that.
Very nice. Okay. Baruni. Hi.
I was wondering what quizzes I got fives on.
Right. Yes, yes, yes. Let's take a look for you. Maya, quiz number 4. And that's it. Oh, quiz number 4?
Okay.
Yeah. Malia. Ken. Spencer. Very nice.
So it's question.
Yes.
Doesn't have.
No, it does not.
But what is it?
Let's look on our periodic table. What kind of an element is it? Non-metal. And when it's a non-metal, you look up there, when it's a non-metal, it is covalent, and we use the prefixes to tell us how many. And if there's no prefix, it's just one. Yeah? It's okay. It's been a long day. Long, long day. Long, long week. Okay, Sophia. How are we doing? Anyone need a hand? Yes. Okay, folks, you want to work hard today because when is your test on everything? Your test is on Monday. Monday, December 8th. So you want to get through as much as you can today so you can get through as much review as possible. Okay?
Okay, that's fine. For the quiz, do we have to write if it's ionic or?
No, you don't have to write it. You just have to use the correct rules. Yeah.
Why? Nothing. I've never done anything here. I never. That's right. And I'm so bad. Sorry.
No. Been a busy day today.
Nice drawing.
Yeah.
So this is a non-metal.
Stop scratching my back. That's creepy.
So it's covalent. So the prefixes tell you the number. So when you see a non-metal at the beginning, you say, aha, di tells me there's 2 phosphorus and pent tells me there's 5 oxygen. Okay, so don't try and balance your charges, it won't work. Okay? And then chlorate is ClO3 minus, and you only have 1 of them, right? So you have 1 potassium and 1 chlorate, yes?
Yes.
So when we have 1 chlorate, it doesn't go in brackets.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Really unsure.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This one is correct. And this one, xenon, there's no prefix, so there's just 1. Hepta is 7.
Oh, right, 7.
So that's going to be XEF 7.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. You're off to a good start, though. And you can do those corrections. You're going to be good. Jennifer Lee. Okay. Hi. Okay, Marianne. Let's see. Let's do 10 first.
Oh, do I have to put the charges?
You don't have to put the charges, but you have to balance them.
Oh, did I not? Oh.
Yeah, so there's going to be H2SO4.
Okay.
And then you didn't put a hydrogen on there.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. Okay.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, Marianne. And then this one. There you go.
Okay. Also, everything else.
Oh, wait.
Scrap paper, yes. At the very back of it, there is
Hello.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
There's one.
Okay. That's okay. Putting up my lunch, that's good. Okay, we actually don't write ones in the formula. You see how you didn't write a 1 here?
Oh.
Which is good because we don't write ones. Okay?
So if I didn't write the 1, it'd be correct?
No. Because hydroxide is made of hydrogen and oxygen. So you would look for it on your sheet under H for hydroxide. So it is OH minus. So we would have Ba.
But you're not supposed to. Wait, I thought you're not supposed to write that.
I'm not done. I'm doing my work to figure it out. Ah, okay. So I would actually recommend that you do the work to figure it out. All right. You don't have to show the work, but you can if you want.
All right.
Okay. Because I see you did this one without doing that one. So that's perfectly good. Okay. And so you would need to have two of these ones. Yes. So you would say this would be Ba and then OH and then 2. Like that? Yeah. Okay. And then this one, sodium is +1.
I wrote.
Yeah, but it's not, that's not the charge, that's how many there are.
I thought I was
Dichromate,
Oh yeah.
dichromate is CrO2O7,
No.
2 negative.
Impossible to put down.
Do the positive charges and negative charges equal?
Since I'm just gonna.
No. What do you need more?
Sodium.
Sodium. How many sodium would you need?
2. Okay. So annoying.
Yeah. Okay. And then, this one would go here.
It's still impossible to put down.
Okay. This one, the 4, if you look at NH4, where is the 4? Is the 4 at the top or is the 4 at the bottom? So it should be at the bottom. And you remember how you were telling me I shouldn't have charges? I don't want a charge there either.
Okay, stop.
Okay? And then finally, if it says "ide," other than hydroxide and cyanide, usually when it says "ide," it's not on here. So if you look, we've got nitrate, nitrite. We don't have nitride. So nitride, where would you find nitride? Periodic table. Yeah. Okay?
Guys, can you get my mark? I'll do 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Hello. Nitrite has a little 2 at the bottom. There's 2 oxygens in it. Okay. If you had 4 tins
I should make you into a gift.
and 4 nitrogens,
I'm gonna send you when we get like computed. I'm so good.
do the total positives equal the total negatives?
Why do I keep thinking that's the damn charge?
It is the charge.
I meant how many there
Oh,
are.
how many there are? Because this is such a common mistake. So many people do that. Okay, because you're in grade 9 and you haven't done this for years and years. Okay, how long have you been doing this? What, 1 day, 2 days most? Okay, so give yourself a little grace. Be like, okay, it's okay. I keep doing it, but you know what? I have the opportunity to fix it now, right? So what you'll want is like that, yes, because that would give you 12 and 12 total charge. Okay, this one is chlorate. Just take care when you're looking at these because chlorate has a little 3 down at the bottom. Okay, so watch out for that. And this one is good, and this one is good.
Okay.
Okay, so you're kind of like halfway there. Okay? You can go and practice a little more. If you haven't done all of page 77, you can work on a few of those and check with the answer key. And then you can try the quiz again. Okay, that was from.
Okay, I have my quiz 8.
Okay. Yes. Nice. Thank you, Vivian.
And that's for Miriam.
Vivian. There we go. And
Did I get something wrong? You got two, I think. Oh my god.
That's okay. It's like,
What did I do?
No.
you didn't write the formula for phosphate or nitrite.
Wait, was it
Correctly.
Did I just run a P, right?
You wrote PO. Okay.
So I forgot like the noun
Okay,
cluster.
okay.
My handwriting is really small. Oh my god, I feel really small.
You're right, it is very small.
I'll try to make it bigger. What? Oh.
So there's a little note with some stars on it
Yeah, I
about
saw it.
phosphorus and
I
sulfuric.
forgot.
Yeah, okay. So that's where you're at right now. Thank you, Sue.
Ow.
Hello. That's quiz 4, right? Yeah, yeah. Hello. All right. And just don't write a 1. Oh, there's 1.
Look at consonants.
No worries. Okay, there you go. Plus SO4 is 2 minus. So are those charges balanced? If you have 4 of these? No. Okay. And then we have ammonia. This is correct. SO4 is sulfate. Whereas you were asked for hydrogen sulfate, which is here. Okay. Barium is here, so it has a 2+ charge. Hydroxide has a -1. Are those charges balanced? Do you know how to balance the charges? Okay, so I don't need to belabor the point? Okay. And then Na is +1.
Let's stop. Ignore the 8.
Cr2 7 is -2. Are those charges balanced?
No.
Nope. Lithium's +1. Oxide's -2. Are those charges balanced?
No.
No. Okay, you're going to go back and you're going to do this and you're going to balance your charges. Okay? Hello. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, you have now written. Oopsie. Do you see how you've written all formula, and all of a sudden you did names?
No. Oh my.
I'm not even gonna mark that one. You can redo that one, okay? You can redo that. No, it's okay.
What's a Logan with that?
I don't know. It's okay. Don't worry. Now, this one, hydrogen sulfate. Remember, there's only ever 2 things.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't want to look up sulfate. You want to look up hydrogen sulfate.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay. So that's HSO4 minus. Okay, and then barium hydroxide. I'm gonna let you do that now. Nickel. Where did these brackets go?
Because there's more than one.
Only when you have a polyatomic. Is N polyatomic?
No.
No, so no brackets. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That was good. Yes. Thank you. Perfect. Everything great.
I want to space theme, but like I don't know what.
Nice. Very good. Thank you. Giant space. Hello.
Oh, that's cool. Actually, I'm gonna. I think I have. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, you're welcome. Yay.
Hello. Right. Okay. We need to work on your placement of your numbers. Because you see how some of them are up and some of them are down? They can only be one or the other. You know which one they are? They should all be down, okay? So if we move this down, then you would realize that you would need brackets here, yes? Okay. This is gonna move down. No, that's okay. And this is gonna move down. And this is gonna be not a big one, but a little one, and this is gonna move down. But the good news is, if you do that, everything else looks great. Like you're balancing your charges. So if you wanna redo that one, that would be great. Hello. We don't put dots in the name. See how my names don't have dots? No dots, no dots, no dots, just in the formula.
Oh, me too. I like try to look back and wow, really take your stuff.
Right, and there you go.
That's like
You get 7?
Quizzes 9 and 10 are always 7. Those are the enriched. You just put a little 2 at the bottom for, I don't know why.
There's still a few of them.
Did we do that anywhere else? No. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Hello.
Hello. How tutorial with the brackets?
Okay, very good. All right.
Just give them some credit.
Okay, so sulfate. Where do you look for 8s?
In the green sheet.
On the green sheet. So let's look up sulfate.
Oh, sulfite.
Sulfate.
SO.
SO4.
Oh, it's SO.
2 minus. Okay, so SO4. 2 minus. Okay, this is correct. And that's quiz number 7.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jim. Sorry about that.
I thought that
Hepta, yeah. Look at you. You did this one right. Yay. You fit. See? You're like, I always do that. And you didn't. Yay. Yay. Okay. So all you had is one little tiny mistake this time. So you have improved. So don't get too frustrated at first. Be gentle with yourself and be like, okay, I got it.
You know something.
All right.
Acid when it's H at the beginning or COOH at the end. Okay.
Quizzes 9 and 10 are out of 7. They're enriched.
So right now,
9 is 10.
There's 11 if you do enriched.
give me a
Okay, so NH4 positive 1
Yeah.
Right now,
and
right
HSO4
now, you have
is
like
negative 1. I think maybe what you did is you thought this was 4 positive, but you see how the 4 is down at the bottom?
Oh. Yeah. It's
Yeah. Yeah.
When you have like a
Okay.
formula and you have like
Load.
ignore the H is capital at the beginning, and that's how you know.
I redid 6 and 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Right?
5.
So right now I'm gonna
Copper
go,
1
okay,
nitrate.
this ER is pro-I, right? So it ends with ITI, right? So that does that. You're gonna add.
Okay, and Emily, that's quiz 5.
So now you have hydrogen.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have one that ends with 8. So
I knew it.
Ah,
I literally
yeah,
wrote it.
yeah.
Like phos. No, that one's like oxalate. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get rid of the 8 carbon.
Okay. Hi.
Oxalate. And then you have ice.
Wait, what does it do to like, like what do you
Um,
have to, what
I
happens?
think
Yeah, so you have base.
you know what? If you can get it first thing, eighth grade, if you can do it first thing tomorrow. Okay.
Oh, what-
Usually
what's the-
remember that.
We say it is the last quiz.
Yeah. They all I just see no when you look at like and she gets my formula, right? Oh, I have iodine, I need to get I.
That was Spencer.
I just need to remember. Oh yeah, and for phosphorus and sulfur. It's not full fight. It's not, well, you don't have to like phosphite. Yeah, when you have like the yeah, it's phosphorus.
F is fluoride. Yes. Maybe. I don't know. You could see if anybody needs help. Okay. No. Okay, so you have fluoride is the ion. My ride has hydraulics, so you have to put hydro on the front and make it the end. Yeah? Sulfuric benzoic acid. Okay, so that's a 6 out of 7. Okay. So,
It's point eight, the last one.
yes.
Also, do you mind if I have more some food?
If you what?
If I want some food, I'm
Oh,
not.
that's fine, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'll just draw like I'll just draw really very weird surreal. You saw it.
Nice. Oh, yeah, it's 7. So you're used to writing 6. Perfect. There is going the other way, so writing the formula instead of the name. Yeah.
Okay, I
Okay. And you know what, Sue? I feel like for having told me that, I think you deserve some too. Okay. Because you're like being kind to others.
Oh, you were.
No? Matthew? Snow dope.
Oh, yeah.
It won't be useful to you anyway because you'll be away. Matthew? Matthew?
Huh?
You helped Sue yesterday, and you know what? Sue came and told me. She's like, Matthew helped me yesterday. So anyway, there you go.
Liz!
Woo! Matthew. Oh yeah, and you can. So I'm gonna give you one. Okay.
What? Well,
It's the same thing you did before. It's the same. You wrote the same quiz again.
well,
You should write the form B.
Oh, no, I can't stop that.
I'll go.
So you're gonna take one of these and you're gonna give one to Matthew and tell him that one is for handing out quizzes the other day.
Can't stop.
Should I go there now?
No.
Come back in. Yeah, I got this for 6 out of 6. I'm there.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. No, no, that nonsense. No.
Ooh, nonsense.
So folks, I do have snow dough, so if you're like being kind to others and helping them out and stuff, Or if you know someone who has been kind to you or helped you out, you could like let me know. You nominate Sophia, and you nominate her, okay?
I love your outfit.
Mine are right here.
Okay, just give me 1 second, I got it. Malia, can you take one of these and give them to, yeah, one to them each, yes.
You're so light.
Well, Logan isn't gonna be here, so that's no help.
No, but
What did you teach him?
I just helped them with the decision.
Nice. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
It's so satisfying.
Very nice.
You know, tomorrow I'm not looking at
Can you give one to Mateo? Remember that one day I set up?
Absolutely. And I'm not giving you any because you won't be here and it won't make
Yeah,
any
that's
difference.
totally fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
But you did get nominated for one. Paul nominated you for one for helping him. Oh, yes. Very nice. Thank you, Samaya. That's your help to you? And you know what? You always are helping Kira out. So I'm going to give you one as well. Okay? Yep. There you go. Nice. And could you give this one to Mateo because he got nominated by Jordan? He helped out Jordan. That's your nomination, yes. Okay, so we'd have here.
I was not. I got like 5 sodas on my first day.
Spencer, you were nominated, both of you, by Max.
I keep the correctly this time. Yeah, let's go.
Everyone, class ends in 4 minutes. 4 minutes left.
Good enough.
Good enough?
Yeah,
Cool, okay.
let's go.
That was Hannah. Hello.
That's I feel. Yeah, that works. That works. Yeah, you go.
You nominate Matthew?
Class.
Okay.
Class ends in 4 minutes. Okay.
That's pretty good.
That's 6-7 for you.
Spence, is it possible
Is it possible to what?
to make one more nomination?
Yeah?
No, nominate Hudson because like from the incident, like he really helped out.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Everyone forgets.
Yeah, like nominate Hudson.
No, joking.
No, actually, nominate Hudson.
You can nominate Christopher, yes.
Okay. Miss,
Take it.
I'm joking.
Take it.
Okay, fine.
You'll make him feel bad if he doesn't get to nominate you. Okay, and who are you nominating?
Hudson.
Hudson. So could you give this to Hudson, please? Thank you. Awesome, thank you. Matt, you were nominated by Sophia. No, Matthew, you were nominated by Sophia. Sorry, I got the M's mixed up.
Thank you.
I nominate.
Here.
I nominate video.
Yes? Vivian? Vivian? You were nominated. Carnan nominated you.
Thank you.
She told me.
Okay, I'm gonna do you first.
Kira.
You nominated Carol. Could you go give this to her, please? Thank you very much. Emily? Yep.
I'm gonna nominate everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are we on Ribbon Bridge? Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Rushing right now.
Can you get that to her, please? Thank you.
I nominate Maya
Uh-huh.
because she helped me review for the quiz.
Nice.
No. Wrapped up.
There you go.
Thank you. I nominate Cody because he helped me, but I didn't understand.
Very nice.
I love all this nomination that's going on.
Do you know what? I do, like, it makes me very happy that you guys are nominated. Like, it's just nice because it's like, you're all, it tells me you're all so helpful to each other, which I love.
Nice people. Wait, don't you write Cody's name on it?
I'm a dummy.
That's okay.
Cody,
There you go.
nominated by Maya. Hi,
Can I nominate Valerie?
You sure can. Oh, yes, absolutely. Bye. There you go.
I'll be over.
Okay.
I nominated her then because like he nominated me and like
Reciprocity?
yeah. You're very kind. Yes. You did it all time. So I'm gonna write like best friend. Amazing. Like so kind.
I'm like,
I'm gonna
Hi. Hernan, you've been nominated.
Oh my god.
What?
I nominate Zoe.
Okay, I will be right with you. I just have to change this here. Okay. What are you nominating her for?
For helping me enrich.
Nice.
He's getting that. Alright.
Thank you.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah.
So, I put in
Yeah.
If it's ionic, ionic brown sugar. If it's ionic, that's ionic, yeah. You don't grab my the first one. Just cut that thing off.
Okay. Excellent.
Okay, so. Yeah, okay. Right, 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 is it with this two, right? Oh, who knows the classification of yeah. Right. Okay. You are provided? Or it's trying to covalent. Sulfur. Wait, tree oxide. Oh yeah, this is tree oxide. So everything is trying to do that. Right. Yeah. These oxides, okay, yeah. You don't even need to look. Sulfur, well. Oh yeah, it's just S, yeah, yeah. So S. Three oxygens. Yeah. Oh. Yes. That's it. Yeah. Yes. Cool. That's very awesome. Cool.